Hey, what's up, Kelly? Good afternoon. This is Peter Gilpin with SEO Dallas, Texas. I spoke to you earlier this afternoon. Thanks for taking the time to click on this video. I had mentioned I was just going to send you some quick info on things you guys could do to help improve your online presence and start bringing in more customers through your website. Now, if you're wondering why I'm even making this video, I just find a lot of business owners don't really have the time to learn how to make the internet work for themselves to bring in more business. And usually what happens is when I make these attack plans for free, people sometimes call me back and say, you know what, Peter, I like you. I just prefer you handle this stuff for me. So at the end of this video, Kelly, if you watch and find I do have some tips and tricks up my sleeve and feel like I could do some good for you guys' business, definitely give me a call back. We can talk about it more. If you guys just want to apply this information and run with it yourselves, that works for me too. My goal is just to help as many business owners as I can. So briefly, what I'm going to go over is how to make you guys' website more authoritative, how to make it more trustworthy, and how to get you guys ranked in the local map packs, okay? So, at a glance, just by looking at your website, it looks great, right? You got nice, clean pictures, it looks modern, you have a nice big logo, you've got your number, call to actions, links to socials, and stuff like that. And it's definitely not a blank website. But unfortunately, Google isn't going to rank you guys based off of how clean the website looks. That what they want is content, right? Google is going to put the consumer in front of the person they feel is most fit to answer that consumer's questions. So you need to have between 1,500 to 2,000 words on this homepage. Just by looking at it, I mean, you guys are, you're probably around 500 to 750 words or so. So that needs to be at least 1,500 to 2,000. Without that much, Google is just not really going to see that you have enough information to answer the consumer's questions. Moving over to how to make it more trustworthy. Oh, and before I do, another thing too, a little secret, what you save your images as is really important. See that just says logo. If you guys go back and save that as Lewisville, Texas HVAC repair, that's an opportunity for you guys to sneak in a buyer intent keyword and give you guys some more traction in Google's organic search results. And that applies to each one of your pictures. Go save that as a different buyer intent keyword. Popping over to a tool we use called Ahrefs, costs about $1,000 a month, but it just gives us extremely valuable data that goes on in the back end of websites. And speaking on how to make you guys' website more trustworthy, Google judges that based on how many relative HVAC websites or companies you have pointing back to your website. It's what we call referring domains. So you guys have 13. It's a great start, but you definitely want to have more. Going over to one of your competitors, Northside AC, you can see they have 57. So it's not a ton more, and that's still relatively a small number in the grand scheme of things. Now, what's cool about this is if you guys want, you can go into Ahrefs, and if you guys want to invest yourself, you can go in here. You can see the exact same relevant websites that your competitors have their information listed on. You can go and make accounts with them, and you can have your information up there as well. So Google's kind of sharing some of that power with you guys, okay? And the last thing really is just going to be about citations. Speaking on how to get you guys ranked in the local map pack. A lot of times, if somebody doesn't know who you are, they just need someone on the spot and like quick and in a hurry, they're going to type in something like HVAC contractor, Lewisville, Texas. Statistically, people will skip over these ads just because they either, have had a bad experience with somebody that was advertised before, or they have ad blockers, so they don't ever see them to begin with. A lot of money goes down the drain that way. A lot of business is being given to these guys that rank highly in the Google Map Pack. So all that is you guys want to have citations. That's just how many times your business name, phone number, and address is listed in different directories throughout the internet, like Yelp, Yext, White Pages, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, Craigslist, Home Advisor. Facebook even counts as one. So go through here. Same thing with the backlinks. Go find the exact same directories that your competitor's information is listed in. Grab all the same ones and then add your names to 50 more. That way it's going to take them some time to go and, have their information in more places. So just go double what they have. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got for you, Miss Kelly. Just a quick recap again. The website looks great, but content is still extremely important. You guys want to have between 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on this homepage. Go save each one of your pictures as a keyword. When it comes to these backlinks and these referring domains, make sure the ones that you get are relevant to your industry or you're going to lose power through it. And the same thing for the directories. Just go find the exact same ones your competitors are in, put your information in the same ones, and then go find about 50 more on top of that. So yeah, that's what I got, Kelly. I'll have this video over to you here shortly. If you have any questions, concerns, if you have any feedback, you found this useful or didn't find this useful, just please let me know. I'd look forward to hearing back from you guys. Again, my name is Peter Gilpin with SEO Dallas, Texas. My number is 682-269-6391. Again, that's 682-269-6391. Thanks so much, Kelly.